Children, in this topic, you will come to know about the measurement of time in olden days. Next, the local time. You will get the idea about the local time, and also you will come to know about the standard time, Indian standard time, and also universal standard time. But before entering into the topic, first of all, I want to discuss the questions which are given in your textbook in page number 1. All these questions are very much important because if you know the answers of this question, that will be helpful for you to know to understand the topic clearly. The first question that is given here: why does the duration of day and night keep changing? Children, the duration of day and night keeps changing as the earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. Children, you can see a picture that is given here, and in that picture you can see clearly that the axis of the earth, it is not straight. It is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. That's why the duration of day and night keeps changing. Next question: how many longitudes can be drawn on a world map keeping an interval of 1 degree each? Here I want to tell you about longitudes and latitudes. Children, the picture which is given here, you can see some imaginary horizontal and vertical lines on earth. The horizontal vertical lines, they are known as latitudes, and the vertical lines, the horizontal imaginary lines, they are known as latitudes, and the vertical lines, they are known as longitudes. So children, how many longitudes can be drawn on a world map keeping an interval of 1 degree each? The answer is 360 longitudes, because 360 longitudes can be drawn. Here. Now the next question, that is the apparent movement of the sun from east to west is a result of what? Children, the answer is the apparent movement of the sun from east to west is a result of the rotation of earth from west to east. Next, what is the direction of the rotation of the earth? The answer is west to east. Next, while the earth rotates, how many longitudes face the sun daily? Total number of longitudes, 360 longitudes face the sun daily. Next one, how was time measured in olden days? Children, in olden days, the time was measured with the help of the natural events of sunrise and sunset and the instruments like Ghatika Patra, sand timer, etc. And the last question which is given here, in present times, what are the instruments used for time measurement? Children, in present times, the instruments like watches, calendars, etc., are used for time measurement. So, whatever I have discussed here, with the help of these questions, all are very much important to you, and the you should have a very clear concept about latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are the imaginary horizontal lines on earth, and the longitudes are the imaginary vertical lines on earth. All these are very necessary to locate a place on earth. The later part of the topic I will continue now.